adventure with MiniSmart.
Welcome to Chopped, Toddler Edition.
Hi friends, Chef MiniSmart here.
Today, MiniSmart must make...
Sushi.
Can she do it? Let's find out.
I'm MiniSmart, I'm the chef.
Ingredients she must use are seaweed, rice, cucumber, and avocado. Why is she using her hands? Very interesting. That's a lot of rice.
Now the cucumbers. Oops, did I just drop the cucumber?
You have 10 seconds left.
Oh no, we gotta hurry. I'm a ninja chef. Let's go.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Let's see what the judges say.
As you can see, MiniSmart is very nervous. What does the judge have to say?
This is...
Good. Yay, I win!